Mount Lingguhob, located in the heart of Iloilo, is a hidden gem for nature lovers and adventurers. Towering over the surrounding landscapes, it offers a breathtaking view of the province's lush forests and rolling hills. The mountain is a haven for diverse wildlife and plants, making it a great destination for ecotourism. Hikers are drawn to its serene trails and the sense of tranquility that comes with being immersed in nature. At the summit, the panoramic vista of Iloilo's countryside and nearby islands leaves visitors in awe, making Mount Lingguhob a must-see for anyone seeking an off-beaten-path adventure.